I don't know what that means when you say you don't want to push me up the hill. You have to explain that to me.
Right.
Just like I said I didn't want to get the hub in the background. Right, tell me what to do.
Get on. Put the brakes on.
Where is the brake?
Same as on the bike.
Right.
Front brake and back brake. I'll let the brakes off. I'll push you along a little bit and then put the brakes on and stop and put your foot down.
What's this? Is that
Yeah, you don't need to
go? Brakes on or not? It's a bit heavy.
Now, just do everything slowly. Squeeze it slowly to stop. So it's a bit hard.
That what it was
A bit hard braking. You need to squeeze it gently. Squeeze the slowly to stop. Just go out of the way. Get used to stopping and put your foot down.
It's going on an angle.
What do you mean? That's up
It's
to
like
you. To
going on an
try
angle.
and keep it straight then. Balance.
How do I do that then?
Balance.
Right. I can't. It just keeps going to one side.
That's because you must be turning the steering wheel that way.
Well, I don't mean to do it. It's hard to do it when it's so slow. Can I turn the engine on, please?
No, not yet.
It's really heavy, the steering wheel.
Just put your hands on that.
Well, this isn't going to work, is it? I'm taller than you. Whoa, careful. That car.
To a slow stop with the brakes. Just gently. That's it. And then usually your left foot you put down, I think.
Right, I'm going to put both feet down. Right, go again.
To go, just twist. Always
What,
make sure you
twist
look
what, the
over your right-
hand?
Look over your right shoulder, there's nothing coming.
No.
Right, so twist that slowly. That.
Right,
Straight
okay.
away.
Yes, stop! I'm going too fast, too fast. I don't like it. Don't stop.
Fine corner.
I want to stop.
Past the bumper.
You're going too fast for me. I don't
Yeah,
like
but you
it.
stopped me
I went
off.
too
Let go,
fast.
let go.
You went faster than what I'm happy with. It's like skiing.
but I'm
I
doing-
don't care if you're steering it. I don't like going this fast on a bike. Full stop. This is the speed that I like. I like going this speed.
Right, so you're in charge of this now.
What, the speed or the
Both.
direction?
All of it. Twist it to go. Twist it.
Can't because your hand's in the way.
You have to keep twisting it, otherwise we'll come.
I wanted to stop.
Oh, right.
Now it's gone off.
Yeah, twist it again then.
So did it go off automatically? How do I do that though with my foot on it? It just keeps falling over. And then lift my foot up. Oh my god, this is hopeless.
If you go really slowly, it's going to wobble, isn't it? You speed up. Let me show you again. Brakes on. Feet up. I've got it. Twist.
I'm not touching it now. No, stop! I don't like it. It's too fast. I don't like that much acceleration.
Okay.
Just go slow,
Alright.
and then I'll
If you go
take
slow,
over.
It wobbles and you go to the side.
How are we going to do this then?
Heavy.
I'll just get Ubers everywhere.
You go like this slow, but you need to keep your feet down then.
Well, that's no good, is it? Go a
No.
little bit faster then. I just don't like the initial acceleration. Namaste. Oh, look at that white woman on that bike.
As soon as you go really slowly, it starts wobbling.
Okay, right, I get that. It's like trying to turn on the slopes when you're going slowly. You can't do it.
So you never do a quick turn at all. Everything on the motorbike is really
Slow.
smooth. So I'm not using any brakes. I'm just like the accelerator and it'll go down here. Yeah.
Right, I might take over now.
Yeah. Yeah. You just keep going. Just keep going. If you let go of the accelerator, it stops straight away.
Hang on, it's going to one side. I'll try again.
Twist. Make sure no stop. You've got to look over your shoulder to make sure. The most important thing.
It's just wobbly.
It's because you're going too slow.
Oh god, this is awful. This is why people just get Ubers, isn't it? Right, I'm doing it, Paul. I'm riding a motorbike.
Yeah. Panic. Don't twist it more.
I'm not
That's it.
panicking. I'm actually quite chilled now. Don't hold on to my arms because I can't move them properly. I am keep going. I'm just going at my own speed.
remember to-
You're such a twong. Oh my god, there's a
Keep
car
going,
coming.
keep going.
I'm going.
Where are you going? This is
I am
right down
looking.
the hill.
I am. No, it's different to my electric
Go,
bike.
give me more power.
Right,
Power.
I am.
Make some L plates.
Right. Yeah, but no one knows what L plates are. That's a British thing. My mirrors. What mirrors? Right. It's hard to keep the speed consistent, actually.
What?
It's hard to keep the speed consistent. It's a bit like Hunter driving the boat.
Now you realise after a month.
See, told ya. That's cute. They're saying thank you in English.
Yeah.
Aww.
Here on, I'll
Okay.
check. I'll
Alright
just
then. Right,
Yeah.
shoulder.
remember if you panic to let go of that accelerator.
Namaste!
Practice stopping again, just slowly.
That's it.
You're good.
Thanks. Right, I'm going again.
Slowly.
Oh, I'm fine now. In the flow of it. Can't be that hard, really, once you get going. I can drive a 7-metre motorhome. This is a lot smaller. Oh wait, there's a bend now. There's a bend. I should go slow around the bend. Woohoo! I'm driving! This'll give him some exercise, won't it? He can chase after me. Right. Oh, I'm on a hill. I'm stuck now. Let's reverse. How do I turn it off? I need to go backwards this way, forwards that way. There we go. I'm off. Woohoo! Hello. Do I lift?
Nailed it.
I think so. so.
Just worse. The only thing that's going to happen
I'll panic.
is you have a panic.
Yeah. Right, get on and let's go shop. It's actually easy without you. Or turning's quite difficult, not gonna lie. Turning's quite difficult, but I think with more practice, it's quite difficult.
It's heavy, isn't it?
It is heavy. I'm not gonna brake. I'm just gonna use the stay.
Okay.
I'm not. I'm just trying to integrate
Yeah.
with the one word I know. I think you're right. Portugal, we sort of had to learn words, didn't we?
Yeah.
For coffee and milk so that we could at least order. But here it just seems that everyone speaks much better English than what I thought. I know. I think it is a good idea to practice it here where it's quieter than if we go to somewhere like Bali, because apparently they say that the traffic's crazy in Bali. Ooh, what's going on here? Cheeky little fire. Yeah, I'm going. How are we doing for petrol? What, at the fruit and veg shop? All good.
See how delicate it can be with the turn.
Is that the samosa man?
No.
Are you sure? Looks like the samosa.
That's it.
Yeah.
Right. Stop, good move. So it's always like looking as far ahead as you can for anything that could be a danger. Coming out of a junction.
I do drive a vehicle at home. I do drive a car,
Yeah.
7 metre motorhome and a 10 metre boat.
Alright.
Just to put it out there. I do know how to look ahead. And I also ski as well.
To drive.
No, because it's a similar concept, isn't it? When you ski and you don't look down at your feet, do you? You look ahead at where you're going.
Here's that cow.
I'm in the middle.
It's the edge.
I'm going to the edge to let the car behind to get the. This is why everyone beeps around here, because you've got to let people know that you're there.
10 mile an hour now, you're doing good. Only my knees. Oh.
Isn't it? Right, which shop should we go to? Right, turn it on. Can you hold it then, because it'll fall off. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Let go of my hips. You're like dragging me off the bike. Just put your hand on your hips, but just put them on gently. You were trying to pull me off it. You were trying to pull me off it, so it makes me look like a bad driver. No. Exactly. That's why I go slow and steady wins the race. You book the tortoise and the hare thingy.
I'm very close to it.
I don't even know where my horn is yet. Oh, it's got indicators.
Drive back now, Christmas Day. I'll drive there.
Yeah, don't lean in on me. Just don't touch me. Don't sit on the bike. I'll be fine on my own. I just need no passengers. No one to touch me. No one to talk to me.
Well done. Right. Shaky. Stop in here. Well done. Good foot forward. Feel good. Very proud of you.
Thank you.
Oh.
You're going to pat me on the back and say well done for not killing us?
Well done for not killing me. Us.